Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, let us create a star schema in the Power BI model after performing some transformations. Okay, I'm using the AdventureWorks DW 2017 database. There are predefined some dimensions and fact tables. So let me select dim customer, which got the primary key as customer key. Dim date with the date key is the primary key. Dim product. This dimension got product key, which gives the product details, the product name, its size, color, etc. And dim sales territory, whereas the sales territory key is the primary key, and we need this dimension to get the country, state, and region. And these all present in the fact internet sales table as a foreign keys. So this is my fact table, fact internet sales. Let me click on the transform data and choose only required columns. I could have come up with the views by selecting only the required column names, but here I just want to explore the Power Query mode. So I'm into this transform mode. Okay, dim customer, I need the dim customer key, and I just want to get rid of these columns, the suffix, this title, remove the selected columns. Yeah, I don't want his income, his children, his education, and all its other details. So I'm just removing these columns. Yeah, his occupation. I want to rename this as to occupation. Yeah, his phone number and change type to phone number. Because of this hyphens, I'm unable to convert into a proper number. Okay, fine. Email address, gender, his marital status, birth date, last name, middle name, first name, and customer key. Fine. The team date, I'm interested to have only the date key. Let me get rid of all this columns. Let me have the physical year. It might be useful. Fiscal quarter, calendar semester. I'm removing this. Calendar year, month year, French month name. No, Spanish. Week number, French day, Spanish day. Yeah. So I can just rename it to month name. I'm not interested to week number of year, day number of year, day number of month. Okay. Number of, wait, yeah, weekday, day of the week, day of the week, alternate date key, month name, month number of year. I just want to rename it to month. Calendar quarter, calendar year. Yeah, because we need physical quarter and fiscal year. So I'm just naming it as calendar and fiscal to get the differences. dim product. Yeah, I'm not going to connect to subcategory tables. I'm just removing it. I'm interested to know the color, the price, size, weight. I want to remove the Arabic, French, and Chinese descriptions. Start it, end it. Large photo. No. Yeah. Territory. I'm I'm interested to know the region. So I'm removing these things so that I want to manually give the relationship between these tables and get the data. Yeah. Close and apply. So I'm loading these dimensions and fact table to build a star schema. Based on the primary key and foreign key, it has auto detect the relations between our tables and giving the directions as well. See, the dim date has been connected to, I think it's order date, shipment date, all the date fields, ship date. See, all the dates has been connected. So let us see what due date key. Okay, let me delete this. And we would be doing everything on the based on the order date. So let us make the order date one as active, date key and order date key. Yeah, make this relationship active. Click OK. Oh, we can remove the other relation based on the ship date. Yeah. See the sales territory key. If I double click, we can see the sales territory key is a foreign key in the fact internet sales table. Sales internet key territory key is a primary key in the dim sales territory table. It's many to one because here many falls to my left table. That is fact internet sales table. The right table is here is dim sales territory table. So it's one of the sales territory table got multiple fact internet sales. So it's many to one, single direction. So same thing. Here we can see, we can read this relation line. It's one to many. Direction is from dim customer to dim fact internet sales table, which is the customer key. It's based on the product key. It's one to many relationship. It's based on the date key and order key. It's one to many relationship. Yeah, this is a star schema now. So we can use these data in our slicers to filter the data and see the visuals. In the next video, we'll know how to filter the data within the dimensions in the report. Thank you.